Before you go to bed tonight, I want you to pause for just a moment, because what I'm about to share with you is something incredibly simple, something almost anyone can do, something that has quietly been used for generations, and yet most people completely overlook it. This one small habit, done consistently, has the potential to support your digestion, improve your circulation, and help your body shift into a deep state of relaxation, the kind of state your body needs to heal, restore, and function at its best. Now, here's what I want you to do. Tonight, before you lie down to sleep, take about 1 teaspoon of organic, cold-pressed castor oil and gently place it directly over your belly button, right in the center of your abdomen. Then, using your fingers, begin to massage that oil slowly. Move in soft circular motions around the navel and across the lower abdominal area. Do this gently, no pressure, no force. Just smooth, slow, mindful movement. Continue for about 45 seconds, maybe a minute. And as simple as this may sound, you're not just rubbing oil on your skin, not even close, because beneath that area lies one of the most powerful and overlooked communication centers in your entire body. Under your fingertips, there exists a dense network of blood vessels, lymphatic channels, connective tissue, also known as fascia, and a complex web of nerves. All these structures are deeply connected to your digestive system, your intestines, your liver, your gut, and even more fascinating, this area is closely tied to what scientists call the enteric nervous system, often referred to as the second brain. Yes, your body literally has a second brain in your gut, and this system constantly communicates with your main brain, influencing everything from digestion to mood to stress levels to how relaxed or tense you feel. Now, let's talk about the oil itself. Castor oil is not just any oil. It contains a unique compound called ricinoleic acid. This is a special type of fatty acid that has been studied for its natural anti-inflammatory properties. But it goes beyond that. This compound has been shown to support circulation and help stimulate lymphatic movement in the tissues. And that's where things get really interesting, because your lymphatic system plays a major role in your health. It helps remove waste, toxins, inflammatory byproducts, all the things your body no longer needs. But unlike your heart, which pumps blood continuously, the lymphatic system does not have its own pump. It relies on movement, breathing, and gentle stimulation to keep things flowing. And this is exactly why this simple nighttime practice can make such a difference. When you massage castor oil into your abdominal area, you're doing several powerful things at once. You're stimulating circulation, you're encouraging lymphatic flow, you're relaxing the fascia and muscles around your digestive organs, and you're activating nerve endings that communicate directly with your gut. But there's something even deeper happening, something most people never realize. Through this gentle stimulation, you're helping activate the vagus nerve. This is cranial nerve number 10, one of the most important nerves in your entire body. The vagus nerve is responsible for shifting your body into what's known as the parasympathetic state, also called the rest and digest mode. This is the healing state. This is when your body slows down, repairs itself, balances hormones, improves digestion, and restores energy. But here's the problem. Most people today are stuck in the opposite state, the sympathetic state, also known as fight or flight, constant stress, fast-paced living, poor sleep, anxiety. All of these keep the body in a heightened state of tension. And when that happens, digestion slows down, circulation becomes less efficient, and the body struggles to repair itself properly. Now think about your own day for a moment. How often do you feel bloating after meals, a heavy or tight feeling in your abdomen, sluggish digestion, constipation, or discomfort that just doesn't go away? For many people, these issues have become so common, they start to feel normal, but they're not. And the cause isn't always just the food you eat. Very often, it's poor circulation and sluggish lymphatic movement. In the abdominal region, when blood flow is limited and lymphatic drainage is slow, waste products begin to accumulate, inflammation increases, and your digestive system doesn't function the way it should. But when you introduce this simple nightly practice something begins to shift. As you gently massage the oil, you're encouraging the tissues to soften. You're improving blood flow. You're helping the lymphatic system move, and you're allowing your digestive organs to function more freely and efficiently. Over time, this can lead to noticeable changes. Many people report less bloating, more regular bowel movements, reduced constipation, less abdominal pressure, improved digestion overall, and perhaps one of the most powerful benefits, a deep sense of relaxation. Before sleep, because remember, this isn't just about digestion, this is about your nervous system. When your body feels safe, when it shifts into that parasympathetic state, sleep becomes deeper, recovery becomes stronger, and your entire system begins to rebalance. Now, there are a few simple things you should keep in mind. Castor oil is thick, and yes, it can stain fabric, so after applying it, place a soft cotton cloth, an old t-shirt, or a towel over your abdominal area. Before you lie down, this will protect your bed sheets and keep everything clean. Some people also like to take it one step further. They place a small warm heating pad over the cloth for about 10 minutes before going to sleep, and this adds another layer of benefit. The warmth helps increase circulation. It enhances absorption of the oil and allows the tissues to relax even more deeply. Now think about what happens. While you sleep, your body enters its most important repair cycle. Your liver increases detoxification activity. Your lymphatic system works to clear waste. Your digestive organs reset. Everything is working behind the scenes to prepare you for the next day. And when you support circulation and lymphatic flow in the abdominal region, you're helping your body perform these natural processes more efficiently, not by forcing anything, but by simply supporting what your body is already designed to do. That's the beauty of this. It's natural, it's gentle, and it works with your body, not against it. Now, here's what I recommend. Try this tonight. And don't just do it once, give it a few days, then a week, then 2 weeks. Pay attention. Notice how your body feels. Notice your digestion, your comfort, your relaxation before sleep. Because sometimes the smallest habits, the ones that seem almost too simple, are the ones that create the biggest changes. Consistency is where the real transformation happens. And I'll tell you something else about castor oil. It has been used for generations, not just for digestion, but for supporting areas of inflammation, swelling, and even lymphatic congestion. There's something uniquely powerful about it, something that sets it apart from most other natural remedies. And while it may seem simple, the effects it can have on the body can be truly surprising. So tonight, before you go to bed, take that one small step, 1 teaspoon, a gentle massage, a few quiet moments, and allow your body to do what it was designed to do: heal, restore, and rebalance. If you decide to try this, I'd love to hear your experience, because real change often begins with the simplest actions. Share it with others, friends, family, because something this easy could make a difference in someone else's life too. Take care of your body, listen to it, support it, and most importantly, make it a great day and an even better night.